let's do this. So, yep. I got MS-DOS 6. I'm going to probably flip that around so you don't even, I don't really care. It's MS-DOS 6 operating system plus enhanced tools for sale with only a new PC. And guess what? It's not with a new PC, so illegal. Let's carefully, just really carefully, just open this up. Oh god, this is gonna be hilarious. Oh god. I've been up and up and go all day today, so this will be flying. Well, there's about the $30 of sealedness I paid. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. We got diskettes. There's something inside your computer you should know about. New software from Microsoft. A commitment to help you get the most of it. And a commitment. Wow. I bet this is still valid. Totally. So still valid. So still valid. We'll deal with that later. Okay, and a flu resin. Yep. Alright, got the Chipotle cup. Tasty. Diskettes. I have no clue how I'm going to install these. I have no computer that uses these. When I bought it said 3.5 inch floppy drive. Not 5.25 inch, but that's fine. I got these bad boys, but they're for 622, not 6, so I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably just take an old IBM, shove an old 5.25 inch drive in it, and it'll work. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This cost me $30 sealed, $36 or something like that. I got my certificate of authenticity. And I'm so important to them, you see. I should register today. So important. You know, I'm so important that they even sent me a business reply mail. Wow. I'm so important to Microsoft. I love you, Microsoft, so much. You make the best operating systems. Insert Windows 11 joke here. Oh wait, I don't have to insert a joke here because the jokes write themselves. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. And if I don't see you, good morning, good evening, and good night. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.